Dear students, let us continue with the discussion of the applications of nanotechnology. Now we'll discuss the topic nanotechnology in health risk. This is not actually an application of nanotechnology, but the health risks posed by the nanotechnology to the human beings and other species. Okay. You know that nanotechnology involves the manipulation of matter of nanometer length scales to produce nanomaterials, structures, and devices. And an increasing number of products and materials are becoming available commercially nowadays, which are of nanoscale in size, or which are of nanotechnology in nature. Some scientific studies portrayed that few potential nanomaterials are toxic to humans as well as to the environment. The nanomaterials can enter into the human body through various routes such as inhalation, ingestion, and skin contacts. And the health risk associated with them due to extreme them is mainly due to their extremely small size and due to the fact that they are they can be rapidly assimilated in the human body than the larger sized particles and have an easy access to the bloodstream. The greater chemical reactivity of nanomaterials or nanoparticles results in increased production of reactive oxygen species free radicals, leading to their toxicity. And the health risk assessment with nanomaterials or nanoparticles requires an understanding of how nanomaterials or nanoparticles undergo or undertake their motility and their bioavailability, toxicity, and persistence in the environment. Nowadays, the various regulatory bodies of USA like US Environmental Protection Agency and USFDA, as well as the Health and Consumer Protection Directorate of European Commission, have started dealing with the potential risks posed by these nanomaterials and nanoparticles. Okay, so this is brief. This is in brief about the nanotechnology. Okay, in health risk to humans and other mammals. Coming to importance of nanotechnology in cosmetics. It is a great achievement by senior most researchers in the medical field that nanotechnology can help with healing and repair of tissue since smaller particles are more readily absorbed into skin and as such repairs the damage more efficiently. This is elevating the development of skincare products and cosmetics to another level, making them high tech so as to increase their benefits to the users. There is still a concern as to how safe the nanotech cosmetics can show their long-term effect because of the relative newness of the technology. in cosmetics manufacturing, even though the nanotechnology has introduced many innovative materials and devices with different characteristics to cosmetics industry. So this is, I repeat once again, there is a still, okay, we know that application use of nanotechnology in cosmetics led to high tech, sorry, nan, nanotech cosmetics, which are increasing the benefits to the users of cosmetics. Okay, and there is still a concern as to how safe these nanotech cosmetics can show their long-term effect because of their relative newness of because of the relative newness of this nanotechnology in cosmetics manufacturing. Even though this nanotechnology has introduced many innovative materials and devices with different characteristics in the cosmetic industry. Okay, so this is in brief about the importance of nanotechnology in cosmetics. Now coming to bio nanotechnology. Most of the scientific concepts in bio nanotechnology have been derived from other fields. Biochemical principles that are used to understand material properties of biological systems are central in bio nanotechnology because these principles are to be used to create new technologies. The recent events in biotechnology have improved by methodical research in bioengineering. Research in biotechnology has advanced rapidly, inducting the need for more scientists and engineers. Okay, and bio-nanotechnology devices and materials may be engineered from the ground up to have desirable characteristics such as lightweightness, flexibility, and physiological density. Potential key devices or materials include the potential for regenerative medicine with organ and tissue regeneration as well as uh, carbon nanotubes also. Bio-nanotechnology services and information technologies mainly contain large database of genomic and proteomic interaction as well as personalized genomes. Channelizing these new information system management system channelizing the new information management systems and electronic medical records using nano enabled processing may result in enormous benefits. Okay, so biotechnology is the use of nanotechnology in healthcare and life sciences, foreseeing molecular biology and processes such as nanoscale technology in the body. I repeat once again, bio-nanotechnology is the use of nanotechnology to healthcare and life sciences, foreseeing molecular biology and processes such as nanotechnology, so processes such as nanoscale technology inside the body. This technology focuses on dimensions measured in nanometers, since there is also a scale of large molecules. Um, Actually, coming to a cell, a biological cell, or a cell of our body, a simple cell of our body, acts as a warehouse of nanoscale machines that hold in shape by a scaffold of microtubes whose constituents have more diameters measured in nanometers. I repeat once again, a biological cell or a cell of a human body acts as a warehouse of nanoscale machines that holds in its shape by a scaffold of microtubes whose constituents have diameters measured in nanometers. And these living cells use natural bio nanotechnology and artificial measure may give them a helping hand. Okay. And it is believed that nanotechnology and biotechnology make for natural marriages as many biological processes take place at the nanoscale. Okay. And coming to DNA nanotechnology. Okay. So far we have discussed about the nanotechnology in a cell, integration of nanotechnology with biotechnology, and integration of, at the same time we have also seen the integration of bio-nanotechnology for for information management, and for bio-nanotechnology for production of devices and materials, especially the medical device and materials, which can be used with more advantages than the already existing ones. Now coming to DNA nanotechnology. Okay, all these things we have discussed are the applications of bio nanotechnology. Now let us coming to DNA nanotechnology is also another application of bio nanotechnology, or is also another example of bio nanotechnology. This DNA nanotechnology is one of the most important example for bio nanotechnology, and another important area of research includes taking advantage of membrane properties to synthetic membranes. So this is also an application of bio nanotechnology, taking advantage of natural membrane properties to synthesize artificial membranes. Is also another application is an application of bio nanotechnology. Utilization of inherent properties of the nucleic acids like DNA to create useful materials is a promising area of modern research. Is also an application of bio nanotechnology. Protein folding studies is a third important avenue of research, but it is the one that has been largely inhibited by our inability to predict protein folding with a sufficiently high degree of accuracy. And I repeat once again, protein folding studies is the third important avenue of research, but it is the one that has been largely inhibited by our inability to predict protein folding with sufficient degree of accuracy. Okay, so protein folding studies are also going to be undertaken as the for protein folding studies are will also be going to be undertaken as a part of bio-nanotechnology to predict the extent of protein folding with sufficient degree of accuracy in future. And finally, lipid nanotechnology is also another major area of research in bio nanotechnology. So we have seen many examples and many applications of bio nanotechnology. Okay. in the field of, in the field of science. Coming to, okay, let me stop at this point of time, and let me continue the discussion in the next video with other applications of nanotechnology. Thank you.